And today I wanted to share a super quick recipe for purple Israeli cabbage salad. For this recipe you're going to need 5 ingredients: purple cabbage, some lemon, salt, Dijon, and mayonnaise. That is it. Let's get right to it. So we're going to cut our cabbage in half. Then we're going to quarter it. We're going to take these outer leaves off. Okay? And just the one outside leaf. You could either wash it or you could just take this leaf off. I usually just take the leaf off. It's usually bruised and damaged anyways. Okay? And now we just gotta cut the cores out. Cut all the cores out. Okay. And all we're gonna do is go on a diagonal. And it's okay if it's not all perfect, because this is a homey salad. No one's judging. Just has to taste good. So now once we have all our cabbage in here, I'm gonna do only half a salad. There's not a lot of people eating at my dinner table tonight. We're gonna start off with just a little salt, and we're gonna give it a little squish. Now this is gonna help break down the cabbage and start giving off that purple juice into the liquid. Now we're gonna let this sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, start kind of breaking down naturally, and then we're just gonna season our salad with the lemon juice, Dijon, and mayonnaise. So this is half a cabbage. I salted it a little bit. I squeezed it to get some of those juices going. And basically for a half a cabbage, you're gonna need 1 or 2 teaspoons of Dijon, 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half lemon juice squeezed, and then salt to taste. Now I already put a little bit of salt in here, but I'm gonna add more because I know it will need it. You want this to be a well-seasoned salad. Gonna take our mayonnaise. Okay. Get all that in there. Get our Dijon. Okay. Squeeze our lemon. And the lemon's gonna help create that beautiful, bright pink. Once we got all our ingredients in here, we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna get real dirty. And you wanna squeeze and mix and turn. Now this salad can be eaten right away, but I do like to let it sit for a little bit in the fridge, and it's even tastier the next day. So I usually make more than I will eat in one sitting. Let's give this salad a little try. I'm gonna wash my hands. It needs a little more salt, and we're ready to go. Now that we've seasoned our salad, we're happy with the taste, it's time to plate. Now I'm just gonna give you how I would plate it at home for a barbecue. I'm just gonna simply take a nice scoop of it. And I like to garnish with just 1 or 2 cilantro sprigs. And there you have it. This is my beautiful purple Israeli cabbage salad. Super simple, super delicious, super fresh, always a hit at my dinner table. I highly recommend you give this recipe a go and let me know how it goes. Make sure to like, comment, and share for more videos coming out soon.